So guys, in this video I'd like to help you about your blue screen which is caused by a CrowdStrike who released an update for the Windows that had a bug, and this patch runs into a mode to kernel mode monitor system activity in a low level, and then whole world become an outage. Employee are unable to work, and that's why is train, airlines, NHS, medical, everywhere is out of work. So basically we had a problem issue our Windows, which is not created by Microsoft, but there is some solution they come up with which is fixable. So those who want to fix their blue screen, this video for them. Please keep watching my video. So simply what you have to do, just need to go to the advanced recovery option, and after that you just need to click on command prompt, and after this command you need to put this command which is as follow: del space c /windows then /system32 and then type a driver slash then CrowdStrike slash, and need to type C minus 000000291 star and .sys. Now you need to press enter from your keyboard, and after that you just need to reboot your PC and restart, and which is will fix your problem.